So today we have lines of the Broken remake from Holo and however you spell his name.
DROELOE.
So a couple of people requested me to show how I made all that stuff. So this is how it sounds like. So let's start from the main lead and then jump into other sounds. The main lead was made using 2 layers. Surprisingly, these guys aren't that complex to make. In the first one, I modulated volume of the first oscillator and cutoff of the filter using LFO1, and then added some chorus and other effects to make it sound fuller. This one is actually done by a very similar way. It's actually like almost the same, but there are different wavetables and a different filter. So at the end of the first 4 bars there is a pitch slide, and I did this by changing voicing mode to mono and serum in both layers, by making this always slide between notes and increasing the portamento time. Before the drop we can hear flute samples, so I took this, transposed, and placed when the drop starts, also layering this with another flute sound. Almost all of them come from cymatics. And basically groove, which does this. There is the 808 with a little slide at the end. And the crash with white noise, and finally lead.